What'd you bring us today?
I brought you 4 mollies.
I mean, if they eat it, I gotta eat it, right? Oh! You ready? Got that one. There you go. $2.99 a piece.
Babe, stop! Please come down.
Uh-oh. What is going on, Cuffaros? Welcome back to another video here. Today, it's raining. It's nasty weather. It's not the weather I preferred to film a video just like this, but I tell you what, the animals are hungry. I'm out of food. I gotta go get some food for them. See them quacking at me? They're mooing, quacking, and oinking. I got it all going on. And neighing. Ah! All the animals just looking at me. Look at the hogs. Everything just looks at me. All right, I'll be right back with food. Jeez. We gotta hop in the truck. Tell you what, before we go anywhere, lighting, there we go. Before we go anywhere, gotta update you on a couple things around the house. Update on the bettas. He's got one up here in this corner right there. Hey, buddy. And then there's another one usually hanging out in the sushi bar. So there's one, and then right behind him in the back by the filter is the other one over there. Saltwater aquarium. This thing is looking a bit different. A couple of the corals are not doing too good, but all in all, still doing very well. Our bubble tip anemone is doing fabulous. Kind of switches spots back and forth. Got that arrow crab still hanging out right there too, tucked up in the rock. And then where's the eel? Let's see where the eel's at. There he is. The eel's in there. You can see his head. Hey, little buddy. Now, swing on in here. My hair is crazy. What's going on, Tommy?
Hey, Paul.
Long time no see, huh? What'd you bring us today?
I brought you 4 mollies.
4 mollies. Now people are probably thinking mollies. What do you mean mollies? It's saltwater.
Yeah, they're saltwater.
There you go. Fresh and salt, actually. You just gotta acclimate them. They came and did a cleanup on the tank because, you know, they come for maintenance and brought mollies.
Taking it back to the old school, right?
Yeah, the old school. Molly! It's kind of crazy that I have mollies in here now.
Didn't you start your channel with mollies?
Yeah, literally. Look at this.
So it should be 3 females and 1 male. But once we start breeding them in saltwater, they'll be even hardier in saltwater, and then we'll start selling them.
Oh, that makes sense. Awesome. They look good in the saltwater tank. Dalmatian mollies in my saltwater aquarium. There they go. It's so weird looking at a molly next to a clownfish. It's just a molly-filled day. Bruh. I need a haircut. Tommy just said something that I could not film. What's going on?
All right, so your clownfish.
Yeah.
That shaking that they're doing, that's part mating ritual, but also they're keeping that space on the bottom of your silicone where the tank neck's clean because they want to lay eggs there. Last time I was here, the female's ovipositor was sticking out and she's starting to swell. So any, you know, could be tomorrow, could be in 2 months, they're gonna start laying. 9 to 11 days later, the eggs will hatch.
Oh, so not long at all.
And then they'll lay another batch of eggs. Usually they lay every 14 days.
You think anything will mess with the babies in here?
No, they'll defend.
Oh, okay.
For sure. So the first couple batches might be duds. Yeah. But once they get in the swing of it, we'll take the eggs and we'll start raising them. Oh. Of course you pull the camera out.
I know, now they're not doing it. They were just doing it. That's why I ran and grabbed the camera and Tommy starts explaining. I'm like, wait. Random, but I wanted to update you guys on the ecosphere. I haven't showed this, and look how dusty it is up here in so long, but there's only 2 shrimp left. See one of the shrimp right there? It's kind of reflecting, but there's 2 shrimp left in our little ecosphere we did like a year ago. I saw some comments on it, so I was like, I'll show it, why not? Yeah, it's been on the shelf right there next to my bed the whole entire time. Now that you're updated on that, I actually have to go get the keys. We gotta go get animal food. And not only animal food, we're going to the fish store as well to get, you know, just what you clicked on the video for. Some guppies to stock the guppy pond in the backyard. I'm super excited for this video. We're about to get a lot of little fish. This trap right here caught my eye. I could quite literally fit in that. How big that thing is. What the heck are you gonna catch in there? A wild bear? Got some cow food. Now I gotta get pig food, but there's no pig food. It's gone. Must be like a super high demand for that stuff or something right now. Maybe a lot of people just started getting into having pigs as pets. Hey, that's a good thing. But there is all stock hen. Pigs are pigs, man. They'll eat anything. And corn. And you know they love corn. We'll get one of these. First stop complete. Now we gotta go to another store that actually carries better hay. This place has hay, but it's never really green. Just makes things a little bit harder. The food is here and the other place has the green hay.
It's on there.
That is a truckload of food. Let's get it. A little bit of TNA and a little bit of alfalfa. Oh yeah. And then a waterfowl, and we're officially got everything. Like, look how green This stuff is so green. Nothing beats it, and that's why I come here specifically for this exact hay. The other place is just not it. I mean, if they eat it, I gotta eat it, right? Yeah, I don't see what the hype's about, I'll be honest. We're back at the farm, as you can see. Hello, everyone. Hey, little buddies, you're getting so big. And Kevin, what's up, Kev? That's the big old bale that they're all excited about right now. I gotta, okay, bud, well, I don't know what you're doing. I gotta get this bale into there. How's that taste? Good? That tastes good? Don't make it like this. Every time I put a $50 bale of hay down, that thing is literally like $45. The bull over here just completely rips it around and throws it all over the ground, which does absolutely no good other than waste the hay. So hey, that's on you, bud. Don't waste your hay. On to the next. Bump it forward. Let me just drive, you know? Look how nasty it is in your enclosure. It's been raining so much. There we go, look at that mixture. Gotta throw it in the higher spot. It doesn't really flood anymore because we added a lot of dirt. Got the scoops for these guys. Good to go. Waterfowl. We hear ya, we hear ya. I am, I'm about to. Don't bite my foot. And I understand everyone's hungry, all right? Here we go. Get on in there, buddy. Can you do it? Yeah, he could still fit. This guy's not too sure about what he's doing. Eat up, my fellow minions. The pond is full right now, and as you can see, our dock that I did spend 24 hours on has poop on it, because these Muscovy ducks that we rescued as they were ducklings, they actually sleep on that dock. It's a good place to sleep because you got to think about it. A coyote ain't gonna jump in the water for a duck. Well, at least not that I know of. One last one. Big scoop for the goats. Okay. Does it every time. A lot of people liked you at the meet and greet last video, you know that. They bought the heck out of your merch. Boots has his own merch standing on top of that playground over there. And y'all completely showed an incredible amount of support at the show in general. Thank y'all so much for coming out. If you didn't watch the last video, it's gotta be one of my favorite videos I've ever made. Even my dad said it. Look, that's his text message. Legitimately, the dopest video ever. Met so many of the Cuffaros, had a great time, and got new fish, which I'm gonna get to the new fish in a little bit here. I wanna show you how good they're doing. They're actually eating already. Got the pigs eating some corn right now. Just dumped a bunch of corn. They needed a little extra feeding because yesterday I ran out of food midway through the feeding. So I got a little special sauce today. Corn, that's like a treat to them. Suzanne the turkey. Suzanne, come here, bud. Come here, Suzanne. Suzanne, eat up. There you go. I wish you could see my stance while I was doing that. Suzanne. Suzanne, eat up. Hello, Lady May and Mango. Here, buddy. There you go. Cuffaros. I was at my parents' house yesterday and I have just been destroying it over there. Doing a bunch of landscape work because over time my parents have been taking care of, you know, the fish and the turtles back there, which we're gonna make more videos there since I've moved. The second house is closer to them. But I've been just taking out the landscape back there. Everything's overgrown. Everything is just destroyed. So I was there yesterday, chainsawing away. I just thought I'd give you guys a little update because, let me tell you, when we get back over there and start filming there more often, we're gonna make some bangers over there. We got the fish room, the new house, my parents' backyard, the OG backyard where I started this whole channel, the farm. There is so much going on this channel right now. I encourage you to smack that subscribe button if you haven't already. See it in the sky over there? See it? Smack it into the moon. Whoop. Locked it up. You see that? You saw? I got the cow food I still got to put in, and I'm left over with two extra bags of all stock. Never can have enough food out here, so it's always good to have some extra. Oh yeah, got to put this hay inside the goat enclosure. I almost made it over. Close enough. How does it taste, boys and girls? Good? All right, let me get in here. Move. Boots, come on. I got to put it in the house over here. There we go, now we're good. Let's try this again, ready? Oh! Tilapia we gotta cut up now. We got a bunch of chunks here, and it's time to go try to feed our arowana at least. Our flower horn might eat some of this, but our arowana, I know, is going to love this. Look how fresh that looks. He actually ate yesterday, so I know he likes it. Come on. There you go. Hello everyone, what's going on? Look at everything the bass eats. Here comes the red tail. Boom. Oh, arowana's taking off. Let's see, come on. Arowana, you want a chunk? Oh! 3 days in and the arowana's eating. Oh, you missed it. Missed that one too. You ready? Got that one, there you go. There's a little one down there at the bottom right there. There's not many, and oh, there's two. There's not many. We have a couple guppies and then some platies, I believe we got. But they all just kind of hide because there's not many. We need a lot. So I saw this comment right here on last video, and it reminded me of this right here. I need to stock the guppy pond. We're gonna do more stocking than just this because I want to get some other stuff than just what I'm about to get here today. But I am going to get some more colorful fish for our guppy pond today. Right now, as a matter of fact. So I'll see you at the fish store. We are here again. Cuffaro's back at the fish store. That's a new tank. That's cool, actually. Hello? Hello? Buddy? You awake down there? Hopefully he's not dead. Oh, nope, he's not. African side neck. We got one of those in the house. Look at those, my favorite fish right here. The sunburst Molly and Platy. By far the best. Look at how beautiful. So your boy is definitely gonna be buying a bunch of these. Probably. They're $2.99 a piece. 3 times 10 is $30. For just 10 of them, I'm gonna spend 30 bucks. So I have a better plan to get more for less money. If you buy in bulk, you can get a lot more. It's similar to anything else in life. If you buy anything in bulk, you can get cheaper per item. Sunburst, I think I'm just gonna buy a bunch of sunburst. I'll be quite honest with you. I just want a bunch of them. This is like the sunburst. So there's the sunburst platy, which is like that. This is the sunburst wag platy. So it's just a little bit different. It's got like the black to it. I like this one better than the original sunburst, but these are still really cool. I just call these both sunburst because it's sunburst wag. Why am I gonna add the wag? You know what I'm saying? Cool fish. Let's do a bunch of these. Need an associate. That's cool.
Someone will be right with you.
All right, thanks, bud. In the meantime, we might as well play with some crickets. Those things reek. I always forget how bad they smell. Should I eat one? Just kidding. Oh, if no one's ever watched my channel before and they're watching this one for the first time, first of all, welcome. Second of all, you probably think I'm crazy. Can we do 25 actually? Yeah, let's do 25. Thank you. That's awesome. Look at that. Got the fish, 25 platies. Look at them on the corner. Super dope. Got them all. Now we go home and put them in the pond. Now you're gonna be able to see all the color in the pond with the white gravel. This pond was just clear last night, and I love how the day I go to film it, the day of, like I literally filmed it yesterday clear, and it has an algae bloom. So this happens to ponds, actually, quite frankly, very often in the beginning of the cycles. It has little algae blooms, so you can see a little bit of green in there right now, but that will not stay for long. I got a bunch of new fish, 25 new fish to be exact. Our little platies, look how cute they are. Moving like crazy in there. They're little nut jobs. Running around, 25 of them. It doesn't look like 25, but it's actually crazy. There is 25 I counted. We're gonna put these in the pond right now. Super excited. I gotta get my GoPro though. So I unbuckle, at least the corner here. Dip them in for acclimating. Water's nice and cold too, surprisingly. Oh look, their buddies are coming over to say hi. The guppies are really trying to say hi to them. Look at that. Hello buddies. They're like, hey. All right, it's time. I got the GoPro right here. Got the GoPro right here, and we're gonna put it into the water. And as simple as this, pour all 25 of our fish into the new pond, or guppy pond. All the platies are in, and as you can see, they're kind of hiding around the filter here a little bit, but they'll get more comfortable as time goes on. I just did a little bit of water change here. Look at all of them. They're just spread out. You can actually, like, if you were just looking at the pond now, you could see little fish. Before, you couldn't really see them. Now you can. So awesome. Mini Guppy pond. We have some hiding throughout the plants over here. We are most definitely 100% gonna be seeing some baby fish here in a little bit, so make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Join the family. We're almost at 2 million subscribers. We're getting there. Smash the like button for me down below. Let's see if we can hit 20,000 likes. Y'all have been crushing the videos lately. The support's unreal. I thank y'all so much again. I gotta go actually pick some mangoes on that tree over there because they're getting real nice. And we don't want buddy old Cowie over here trying to eat them over there, so here we go, let's go pick them. Picking mangoes out here. Look at all these mangoes. Take, grab the bucket. Look at all the mangoes. All good ones. All you gotta do is shake the branch and they drop off.
Babe, please come down.
Why?
Because he's coming. Come
Who?
on. Babe, stop.
Who?
Please come down.
Uh-oh. 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 Taylor's climbing the tree. Get out of here, Henry. Leave us alone. He got one of our mangoes. Taylor, get out of the tree. We'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks so much for watching. Peace out. That was the mallards.